Hello, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. Today I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a football. It includes some details that will make it look a lot like the real thing. Let me show you how. Before you begin, gather your art supplies of drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this free matching tutorial from my website. I also recommend making guides on your paper before you start to draw. You just need to fold and crease the paper in half in both directions. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, and they do go away by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. Make some light marks on the fold lines to plan the size of your football. It will help you to make it big and centered on your paper. Now draw the top half of the football by connecting those marks with a big, smooth, curved line. Step number 2. Finish the bottom half with a long curved line that looks like it matches the top one. Step number 3. Next, make a plan for 2 seam lines with marks about an inch inside, like this. Lightly draw the top curved line. Don't press too hard, as some of this line is going to be erased in a minute. Now, draw the bottom line the same way. Go slowly so that you can make a very smooth curve. Step number 4. Make 2 marks to plan the fat white line that goes over the seam. Then draw the top half of that line, and then draw the bottom half. Try to make the shape even all the way across. Step number 5. Now come the vertical stitch line shapes. Draw 4 spread out on the left side. Step number 6, then draw 4 stitched line shapes spread out on the right side. Okay, now it's time for some careful erasing so those short lines look like they are on top. Start by getting rid of the lines inside those little stitch line shapes. Then erase the seam line below the stitches like I'm doing here. A little pencil eraser will do a great job. Step number 7. Now come the fat white stripes on the sides of the football. Draw a curved one on the right first, and then a matching fat stripe on the left side. Step number 8. Now a few grass lines will give this football a simple background. Step number 9. Okay, it's time to trace all those pencil lines with a good black marker. I like the thickness of this marker as it shows up well, but it's not too thick for those smaller details. And now, as always, is a good time to erase extra pencil lines that might still be showing. It's always a good idea before you begin your coloring. And now it's time to bring out those crayons. I'm starting with a kind of reddish brown for my football. Be sure to press hard and color carefully around all those little white shapes. And then it's time to color the grass. I like this shade of green. It's not too dark or too light. Remember, pressing hard and coloring slowly will always give you the best results. And now it's time to color in that sky. You know, you could add some clouds here still if you want. Just draw them with your crayon and then color around them. I'm just going to keep this simple and color in my sky a solid blue. And there you have it, my finished football drawing. I hope you now see how easy it is to draw a really good looking one if you just take a moment to add little touches like those detailed stitch lines. I'd like to thank you for following along with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this How to Draw a Football tutorial video. I have more drawing tutorials like this on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a soccer ball and how to draw a basketball. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.